Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So today I have an unboxing from a hair company that just sent me a few bundles to review for them, and this is from a very popular company on Aliexpress and also very popular among YouTube, and it's called Yolissa Hair. Now they reached out to me and they asked me to just pick out what I wanted to review, and it was so hard because there are a lot of beautiful textures on their website. So when you guys check it out, you'll see. But I finally decided on the loose deep wave hair. So if you guys want to check out the hair that I got, this beautiful loose deep hair, then keep on watching. All right, so first things first, Yolissa sent me my hair in this DHL package right here. And they actually come with a few gifts. Now, I did film this unboxing already, so that's why you're gonna see the hair unpackaged a little bit, but I didn't like it, so I decided to re-record, and here I am. So moving on, they will send you a gift of free lashes, and they actually also sent me like this bracelet or necklace choker type thing. I'm not sure, I don't really wear these, but it's very cute, very different. I've never experienced like a company really sending me jewelry, I don't think, as far as I can remember. Maybe one, but it's not often. They'll usually just send you like flexi rods or lashes. So now on to the hair. So I got 4 bundles of their loose deep wave and a closure. So I got the bundles in 22, 20, 16 and 18, and then I got I think this is also a 16-inch closure, but if it's not, I'll just have all the lengths and stuff annotated below. Now this is the closure. It came wrapped in a hairnet and PVC plastic. I'll show you guys a clip of that the first time around that I did the unboxing, but here it is. The hair is extremely soft, extremely, and the wave pattern is very pretty. It's a little different. It's not exactly loose wave, although it's like majority loose wave, but you can tell there's a little bit of like a curl in there somewhere. So I'm really hoping that this stays the way it is even after washing. We'll update you guys on that when I do like my update review. But the closure looks very nice. It is a 4x4 regular closure. The front hairline, it has like some baby hairs, pretty lengthy, so you can customize them to your liking. And also the knots appear to be lightly, no, they're not bleached, but they're like lightly knotted to the front to create more of a realistic hairline. So that's really nice, because I hate closures that are so dense and then you've got to pluck and take so much time, and I hate doing that. But they knotted this closure, like they made this closure a very natural density and with a very natural like hairline. So onto the bundles. I'm going to show you guys the bundle that I had already taken out of the package. This is the 20-inch bundle, I believe, and this is, I've already played with it and stuff, but you guys will see like an unraveled one already. And it comes with the tag, Yolissa Hair, with the company's information and the little wrapping here. Oh my God, this hair is soft as hell. The ends look very healthy, like they don't look stringy or anything. They look to appear very healthy, and the hair is very bouncy, has nice body, it feels very full. And this is the amount of weft that you get in the bundle. Like this is how big the bundle is. So it's probably around like an arm's length or so, an arm's length and a half of hair. Now on to a bundle that I didn't tamper with. This is the 22-inch. So I'm just gonna pop that open. Yeah. So this is the 22-inch. So this is how the pattern will come packaged to you. Nice and boxy, bouncy. And this is how it's going to look when you run your hands through it. And as you can see, I got no shedding, No tangling, no snagging, nothing. My hands just went straight through, no strands, nothing. I'm not experiencing any shedding of the hair, any initial shedding. As I play with it, nothing is coming out. But the hair is so beautiful, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the hair before I begin testing it out. So be on the lookout for that. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.